everybody, how y'all doing? And welcome back to my channel. As you see in front of me, I am pretty ready to clean my gaming PC. And yes, this here baby here does a lot. She does my games and she also does my editing, my gameplay. Now the thing here is I do have sluggish Wi-Fi. I do have T-Mobile 5G Wi-Fi, but I'm thinking about doing a little live streaming. So if y'all want to see me live stream, put the comments below if y'all want to see me live stream retro games. That's all I play, and puzzle games, you know, like Gems of War, and etc. A little old school stuff I grew up on, you know. Also getting into some Atari classic games, as well as a little bit of today's modern games, RPG games. None of that there multiplayer stuff, because I don't believe in multiplayer. I just don't have a good feel of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean my baby down because it is time. And trust me, I have a little cat. Her name is Tangy, and she does a lot of moving around, cat hair here, cat hair there. And you know, when my system's on, all that cat hair get pulled in onto the fan's head. Now y'all keep in mind, what you see right here are all the blue fans that are going in the case. I'm going to take it out of step mode. I did a video where I put it into red, and then I wasn't really happy with it because red is more of an aesthetic chill vibe color. When I'm doing my gameplay, I like color blue. You know, sometimes I just do my thing and just chill. But my editing rig I have put the red fans in, and my gaming, my entertainment PC, just for watching my movies, etc., or watching my subscribers' content. And if I need to comment on them, I'll go ahead and comment on them like that. That will get done with the last remaining red fans I have to go in the system. So yeah, it's going to be a whole lot of modifications I'm doing. Now some of y'all probably saying, Verada, why you not buying RGBs? Every time I get ready to buy me some RGB fans like a Piva or Cool Moon, I can get the Cool Moon fans, but some sellers are selling an arm and a leg. Or if I get the Piva fans, they all sold out. Now I do like this case by Dark Rock. I am looking at the EC2 case, the micro ATX case. This is a little bit of micro ATX, ITX, as well as ATX. So my micro ATX board is about a little bit sitting up in here, and I do have room to move around things, so that's a big plus there. So, but other than that, she's gonna get it cleaned down, and I'm gonna put it back together off camera because y'all saw me so many times stripping this PC down from one case, putting in another case, stripping it down to cleaner, putting it back together. And y'all take in mind that I do PC cleaning, so I will be putting my email address down. Shoot me your number, I will get in contact with you. Cleaning is for free, good for my content. In the North Miami Beach area only, in the North Miami area only. And I'll be glad to come to your house and clean your system free of charge if you want me to. If you got somebody that do it, that's a good thing, because cleaning your PC and keeping your components refreshed and still can be used without having to go through dust rot and dust damage. So enough talking, let's do this. everybody. Everything is now done. I got all the parts in front of me. Basically now is to clean. And I'm just do everything off camera because I know on my channel and I have showed so many times cleaning the same parts, the same motherboard, which is the Azura B450 motherboard. If you want to buy this set for yourself for just a basic level gaming system, because it is on Gen 3 NVMe, it's on PCIe Gen 3. So if you want to go with the GTX 1660 Super or Ti or the RX, like I have here, the RX 580 2048 SP 8GB GPU, or if you go with the RX 590 Fatboy, if you can find that, that's an 8GB GPU, or the Vega GPUs, whatever, just for basic level 1080p gaming. I would recommend that you do have the RTX 3050 for that as well too, and the RTX 3060 8GB. It's the 3050, and I looked it up myself, and I'll be putting all the information in the description below, so you can go ahead and read and pick your next parts for your system. The RTX 3050 is on PCIe Gen 3. It is 6GB. That's their low variant. A lot of people gamed off of it, thought you could play Call of Duty, hardcore demanding games, because that's where we at now with our gaming. Me, I'm old school. I don't do what the new people do, the new school doing. I like to enjoy me and relax. I like to play games where, from my childhood, because like I said, I'm 51 years old, so I'm taking you way back in the 80s and the early 90s. So yes, I like to play games back in my childhood. I want Nintendo to at least put 3 or 4 titles and make them like PC games, like Super Mario Brothers, Tecmo Bowl, Donkey Kong Country, and the first version of Super Metroid. Everything else I can put on your Switch. I do have an OLED Switch. My grandson does, not me. My grandson has the OLED Switch now. Me, I'm old school, you know, and that's where I'm gonna stick at. So those are the 4 games that I want Nintendo to at least consider. So anybody on Nintendo representative management staff, just could keep that in consideration, just to put 4 of your best popular games on PC. If you want to put Turok, you can. I wasn't a big fan of Turok, my little brother was, so, but he had played it on the NES 64. So that's where it is now. So basically, just like I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it up. These are my Piva 140 fans. I love a Piva. If Piva wants to send me a micro ATX case that holds about at least 6 to 7 hard drives, that would be great. Really appreciate it. Also looking to do some sponsorships with them as well too, as well as Dark Rug. If y'all want me to send me out the EC2 cases, one of your cases, micro ATX that holds by at least 8 hard drives, because as you see, I have my hard drive cages right there that holds 4. They are mechanical, so yes, they saddles, they just spin drives, and I know we own SSDs. So other than that, everything is good. I have brought this off eBay from a seller. This came off the GameMax Abyss case. I'm very disappointed with it, but it does the job for now until I buy me the one I really want them to properly attach to the fans and hold it down. I can only attach this GPU bracket to one fan, and it does a lot of spinning around. So, but other than that, it does the job good. And that's what basically it. So I'm not gonna talk you too long. Like I said, I'm gonna clean it off camera, polish it up, because I'm looking at a lot of dust and cat hair. So yeah, it is what it is. Clean off my grills, do my thing, and that's about basically it. So picture montage and me installed in. After that, do a picture montage and just post it. That's it, and thank y'all for watching. Oh, by the way, I will be also putting a PC part picker list to gamers who wants to get into gaming. I'll be using the 600 series motherboard as well as DDR5 between speeds of 4800 to 5600. I'm not going to touch the 6000 megahertz per transfer speeds because they're too expensive, and I'm trying to keep everything in a perspective budget for you. So I'll be doing that for you. Everything will be in the description below, so please read the description before engaging into the video. And to my supporters, thank y'all for watching. Watch all my videos so I can go ahead and break the algorithm, trying to get to 3,000 watch time. So I'm trying to get there so I can go ahead and get monetized, and trying to get 300 more subscribers so I can get to that 1,000 threshold. Been doing this for 5 years. I love what I'm doing. Just like I said, my channel is not about testing. It's about information I can give to you to keep your old systems looking good. If you want to refresh it, I does that as well too. So, and majority of these parts I did in 2020, but I'm still keeping them going strong. So, and y'all probably asking around, will you buy any of the new hardware out now? Absolutely not, because it is just too powerful. And I'm more of a balanced level productivist. So when I do my PC production, it's just basic stuff, basic editing, basic gaming, and that's about basically it. I don't do no multi-players because I don't believe in that. I don't try not to, I really don't believe in recording myself playing the video games because that's just mediocre to me. So, but just like I said, I'm not knocking what the new generation is doing now, as well as the old schoolers like me. They loving it, they doing it, they enjoying it, and I want y'all to continue doing what y'all do. So I just want to say again, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.